Hi all, welcome to another RPA tutorial video. Today in this video, we are going to talk about certifications in Automation Anywhere. So we will talk about different types of certifications and online courses which Automation Anywhere provide. And also I will tell you how you can enroll for these certifications and the online courses. Okay, so before start the discussion, if you're looking for RPA project development, RPA project support or RPA training, for Automation Anywhere, UiPath or Blue Prism, you can go ahead and drop an email to us at rpa.developers1@gmail.com. So based on your mail, we will reply and we will connect with you. Okay. So now let's move. So Automation Anywhere provide different types of certifications, but the two certifications are more important in the current market, and the companies are looking for a people who's holding these two certificates. So the Automation Anywhere Advanced Certificate and Automation Anywhere Master Certifications. So these certifications, to complete these things, you have to follow certain rules, you have to complete some course. Okay, so we will talk about those things. So before going into more details, so let me give you some overall idea about these certifications. So a advanced certification, you can enroll this certification from their websites, and this advanced certification will give you two chance to clear your examinations, and there you will get a 70, you have to get 70% score. So if you are able to put all the answers correctly, and if you score like 70%, then only you will get the certifications. And this A advanced will have only MCQ questions. The MCQ questions basically come from the control room, okay, the meta bots and the client. So most of the questions will be available from the control room part only, which includes the bot insights and the meta bot. So this advance is having, like, the most of the critical questions, so it can be done once you have a good knowledge on the Automation Anywhere, not only for the client, but you have to good knowledge with the control room, bot inside and the metabot part also. Now moving to the Automation Anywhere Master Certification. So the master certification can be only access, or you can enroll for this certification once you're done with the advanced certification. So once you're done with the advanced certification, then only you will be able to enroll yourself for the master certification. So in master certification also you will get 2 attempts. Okay, and here it will be little tough compared to the advanced. So here you have to score 80% in the MCQ section, and there you will have a 60 questions. So 60 questions from the advanced part of the Automation Anywhere, so which includes questions from Automation Anywhere client, control room, meta bots, okay, and the bot insight. So here master certification will give you more technical questions, so you have to know how the Automation Anywhere works in case of any challenges if you are facing during your work, then how you can be able to solve. So here the thing is very, like, tough, because in 60 minutes you have to complete 60 MCQ questions, and the score for pass is, like, 80%. Once you're done with the MCQ part, and if you score 80%, then Automation Anywhere will assign you 3 business case. So you have to create a three bots based on the business case or the business information which Automation Anywhere provides. Once your bots is ready, then you have to upload into their sites, okay, and the Automation Anywhere team will review your code, and they will check whether your code is, fulfill their requirement or not. So this should include the coding standard, best practices, everything you have to keep in the code. So once it will fulfill their requirement, then only you will have the master certifications. So I would like to add here some more information about these two certifications. So this certification is playing very important role in market. So currently, the RPA market is growing very fast, and the companies are looking for more RPA resource to automate their work. Okay, so if you are a fresher, or if you want to move your career from any other domain to the RPA domain, or if you are very new to the RPA, then what you have to do, you have to enroll for these certifications and complete these certifications and start searching for the job. If you have a certification, then chances of getting of Automation Anywhere jobs will be very high. All right. So now let me move to the next slide. We will see what are the types of questions can ask. Okay. So this is the some sample questions I took from the advanced certifications. Okay, so you can see, so the question will be like this only, and they will give you the 4 options. So you have to check, or you have to give the which one is the correct answer. So for every questions you will have a 4 options. You have to think and you have to give the answers. So the time will be very less. So you can see the second question is coming from the locker. Okay, so the question will come from this only, not from the locker only. It will have a credential, how to create the roles. So it will include, like, I can say like 60% question will come from the control room part, and 40% you can expect from the client and other section of the automation anywhere. Now let's move to the master's certifications questions. So in masters you will have a questions like this. So there also you will have a 4 like options to select your correct answers, right? So this is the sample question I kept here to just demonstrate you. Now let me move to the automation anywhere websites. Okay, so we can see how we can utilize automation anywhere website to opt for this certification. So what you have to do, you have to log into the automation anywhere sites. So if your company is a partner with automation anywhere, then you will get opportunity to like enroll for so many courses. So if you go to the training section, there you can see so many questions, so many like the trainings are available. If you see here, for my case, we have so many trainings available here, right? So from here, like you can get the advanced and the master certifications. And if you want to learn more about the automation anywhere, so they are providing so many online courses. So you have to just select the course for which you want to learn, and you can go ahead and start learning from this portal itself. So this is only applicable for partners. Okay, so let's say if your company is not a partner, and if you would like to learn about the RPA or the automation anywhere, so for that you have to go to the automation anywhere university. Okay, so if you search in a Google automation anywhere university, there you have to register yourself. So there you can use your Gmail or personal email to register yourself, and there you can opt for a certifications. Okay, so you can see here in this my right hand side window, it is saying the advanced certification is currently free. Okay, so earlier automation anywhere used to charge $50 to complete the advanced certifications. For the partners, okay, it is a free. So for the company who is a partner with automation anywhere, then your advanced and the master certifications will be totally free for you, and you will get 2 options to clear your certification. In case if you're not able to clear in 2 attempt for both the certification, then you have to also pay the money to attempt for a third time. So here it is saying like this is free till 30th June. So you can see, so we have some time. If you are interested, or if you're looking for advanced certifications to be done, you can go ahead and enroll yourself. So you can get these details from the automation university only. Once you logged in there, you can get all the details what you have to do. So let me click on this link so I can show you. So once you come here in this page, so you can see university.automationanywhere.com, and in this page you can see they are giving this advanced certifications for free. Okay, so this is a 10 hours course which will include almost everything which you should know before starting your RPA career. So let me go to the advanced certification here. So I am in automation anywhere advanced certifications. Okay, so you can see here, if I go to this, so they have a section wise the videos. So for each and every section you will have like some basic idea how the automation anywhere works, and they have explained all the commands including the control room and the bot insight and the metabot also. So it's the training is very nice and very helpful for understanding overall capability of the automation anywhere. And the good thing is, like, for each and every topic we will have a assessment. Okay, the course summary assessment. So you have to clear the assessment to unlock this next chapter. Okay, so if you're not able to clear this, you won't be able to the move to the next the chapter. So what you have to do, in case if you are getting failed, you can go ahead and learn this, or you can see these training videos again, then you can move to the next. So this training is overall very nice and helpful for the people to understand all about the automation anywhere. Okay, all right, so now let me move to the advanced training. Okay, so currently I am in a automation anywhere advanced section. You can master, sorry, so we are in a masters. So Okay, in the master, as I said, we have to complete first advance, then we will get the chance to go for the master certification. So here in master certification, so I have completed this question answer. You can see I score 88% here in this section, and I already submitted my 3 bots. Once you submit your 3 bots, you can see the bot 1 case automation. Okay, so these are the informations. If you open this, you can see the business case which is provided by the automation anywhere. And after, once your bot is ready, then you have to upload the bot into the automation anywhere. Okay, and after that they will review your bot and they will come up with the results. Like the final result will be 75%. So the 3 bots, they will analyze your bots and they will see whether it is like, you know, fulfill their requirement or not. If not, then you might not get chance to get the master certifications. Okay, so you can start learning automation anywhere, because the market is growing very fast for any of the RPA tools. So if you're thinking for automation anywhere, so I would request you to kindly go ahead and enroll yourself for advanced certifications, and you can start learning. So that's all from today's session. In case if you find any questions or any suggestions, you can go ahead and post in a comment section, or you can mail us at rpa.developers1@gmail.com. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you.